Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Morris Bailey, and I will be giving a brief presentation on the business communication process. Business communication is defined as the process of transmitting information and meaning from a sender to a receiver. The key word is meaning. This is done through a five-step process. First, the sender has an idea. Then the sender encodes this idea using letters, numbers, symbols, signs, pictures, verbal and non-verbal communication techniques. Then the sender chooses a channel to transmit this message. It could be text, email, fax, snail mail, verbal or non-verbal. The receiver receives the message, decodes it, and gives the sender some form of feedback. When this happens, the receiver becomes the sender and the process repeats itself. There are barriers to the communication process. Bypassing occurs when the sender and the receiver attach different meanings to different words. Your frame of reference is determined by your social upbringing and education. There are distractions in the communication process in the form of noise. Noise can be when your coworkers talk too loud on the phone, typing, cars passing by, and any outside noise. Noise can also be environmental, a room that is too bright, too dark, too hot, or too cold. To overcome some of these barriers, one must know the purpose of their communication. Communication should be purposeful with the intent of solving a problem for the receiver. It should be economical, use as less words and phrases as possible. We refer to that with the acronym of KISS. Keep it short and simple. It should be audience focused. So when the audience asks, what's in it for me? Your communication answers that question. This also can be done through the 3X writing process, which is pre-writing, drafting, and revising. In the pre-writing stage, you analyze your audience by asking the question, who is in the audience? You anticipate what will the audience response to my message be, and you adapt that message to present a warm, friendly tone to solicit feedback. In the drafting stage, you do the research on your particular topic. You organize it in a orderly fashion to present the most important ideas first. Then you draft the message. After you have finished your first draft, you revise it for format and clarity. You proofread your document to avoid sending a document with misspellings and grammatic errors. You evaluate your document to see does it accomplish its specific intended goal. You want to spend about 25% of your time revising your message, 25% editing your message, and most of your time, 50% in the proofreading process because the document represents you as well as your company. Thank you very much for your attention.